Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. As Halloween approaches, it's time to dive into the fascinating history of this spooky holiday. Where did it all begin? What traditions shaped Halloween as we know it today? Let's unravel the mystery together. Halloween's roots trace back to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, celebrated over 2,000 years ago in what is now Ireland, the UK, and northern France. Samhain marked the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter. It was believed that on the night of October 31st, the boundary between the living and the dead blurred, allowing spirits to roam the earth. People would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off roaming ghosts. They believed that honoring the dead could help protect them from malevolent spirits. As Christianity spread, the church sought to replace pagan traditions with Christian ones. In the 8th century, Pope Gregory III designated November 1st as All Saints' Day, a day to honor saints and martyrs. The night before became known as All Hallows' Eve, eventually shortened to Halloween. This shift created a blend of traditions, incorporating elements from both Samhain and All Saints' Day. Segment 3: Halloween in America. Halloween arrived in America with European immigrants in the 19th century. However, it wasn't until the late 1800s that it started gaining popularity as a community-based holiday. By the early 1900s, Halloween was embraced by communities with parades and festive gatherings. The concept of trick-or-treating emerged during the 1920s, where children would dress up in costumes and go door-to-door for candy. Segment 4: Modern Traditions. Today, Halloween is celebrated worldwide with various traditions. From carving pumpkins, known as jack-o'-lanterns, to haunted houses and costume parties, it's a time for fun, fright, and festivity. In Mexico, they celebrate Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, honoring deceased loved ones with altars and offerings. In other cultures, similar festivities occur, highlighting the universal theme of remembering and honoring those who have passed. Segment 5: Fun Facts about Halloween. Let's wrap things up with some fun facts about Halloween. Halloween is the second highest grossing commercial holiday after Christmas. The tradition of wearing costumes dates back to the Celts, who believed disguises could fool spirits. The largest pumpkin ever recorded weighed over 2,600 pounds. Outro. So, there you have it. Halloween is a rich tapestry of history, culture, and celebration. What's your favorite Halloween tradition? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more spooky content. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween.